Make PowerPoint great again. Presentation first. One of the worst things a customer can do to us is 4:3 presentations. 4:3 format. Like anyone still has this box kind of TV at home. 16:9, the new format. This is where you have spaced the design and the slides look contemporary or actually adequate. Number 4 of my favorite customer projects is what we playfully describe as a crime scene cleanup. These are slides that actually look like I probably should not say that now. Also a kicker is when customers say, my presentation has only 10 slides, but there's so much information on these 10 slides that it should be actually 50 slides. And then you have all this information and you need to spread it out and actually work with all this wording and think about which graphics you would need. That can be... Sometimes it absolutely puzzles me why people don't understand concept diagrams. They use a pyramid for everything. A pyramid, and I remember that back in ancient Egypt when we used to build pyramids. You have a basis, and this basis has the biggest portion of your argument. Everything else in your argument or your topic builds up on that base and also decreases percentually. Sometimes if you want to say something that has even positions or even arguments, then you should rather use pillars or maybe something that leads to something, maybe steps. And sometimes people say something that actually should be conveyed in a funnel. Some companies still use PowerPoint